Spectacular, powerful, and sometimes deadly. Hi, I'm News 9 Chief Meteorologist David Payne. Lightning is our topic today, which is one of the most common weather phenomena. So what is lightning? If you said electricity, you nailed it. It simply is a powerful burst of electricity from a thunderstorm. So how does lightning happen? Well, before there is lightning, we are going to need a developing thunderstorm. As clouds begin to build higher and higher in the atmosphere and grow into a storm, some very interesting things begin to happen. In a storm, there are positive and negative charges. But for lightning to occur, these charges must be separated. So how does that happen? Well, water droplets rise and collide with falling hailstones. This bumping into each other causes the hailstones to remove the negative charge from the water droplets, causing the top of the storm to become positive charged and the bottom of the storm to become negative charged. This process causes the ground under the cloud to become positive charged as well. So now our storm has a positive charge at the top, a negative charge at the bottom, and a positive charge on the ground. And in the world of electricity, opposites attract. As our storm continues to grow, there is a buildup of static electricity between the cloud and the ground. There is now an imbalance, and the atmosphere doesn't like that. So what happens next? Well, the negative charge sends down an invisible spark towards the ground. At the same time, the positive charge on the ground sends up a positive spark, and when these two collide and when they meet, we have lightning. That's what you see. That positive charge continues to travel up the lightning bolt. It neutralizes the bottom of the cloud, and for a while, for a moment, we have a balance now in the atmosphere. But as the storm grows, well, and changes, well, the lightning, it will return. So what types of lightning do we have? Well, basically, there are three types of lightning. We have intra-cloud lightning, we have cloud-to-cloud lightning, and then finally, cloud-to-ground lightning. Here are some lightning facts. An average bolt of lightning is over 50,000 degrees. That is 6 times hotter than the surface of the sun. Pretty hot. An average lightning bolt releases about 250,000 watt-hours of energy, which is enough to power a 100-watt light bulb for nearly 3 months. That's a long time. Bolts are the width of a pencil, very, very small, and lightning lasts between 1 and 2 microseconds. Very, very fast. With lightning, you always have thunder, and it always follows lightning. Why? Because lightning produces the noise we call thunder. So what is thunder? Remember, a lightning bolt is over 50,000 degrees. So when a lightning bolt superheats up the air so fast, it rapidly expands the air, creating a supersonic shock wave. This creates a big boom or thunder. Did you know how you can tell how far away lightning is from you? The next time you see lightning, count the number of seconds it takes to hear the thunder and divide it by 5. This gives you the distance in miles. For example, if you count 10 seconds between the lightning and thunder, the lightning is roughly 2 miles away. Okay, so here are some lightning tips. There is no safe place outside, all right? So if you see lightning, if you hear thunder, you have to get indoors when thunder roars, okay? Something very important to remember. If stuck outside and you can't get inside, you need to get low to the ground and away from tall objects. If you hear thunder, you can be struck by lightning. Move indoors, and you need to wait about 30 minutes to go back outside after that last rumble of thunder. Tips to remember. Living in Oklahoma, extreme weather is a way of life. But with 2 helicopters and the largest team of meteorologists and storm trackers in the country, you can always count on News 9 to keep you and your family safe day and night. As always, stay with News 9. We'll keep you advised.